How to make money. Metal detecting. Welcome, you are here. I am speaking book. You don't read the book. Allow me to read it for you. We lead you to the world of the knowledge. Just exchange your a few minutes to skill with us now. Please keep listening and watching. Metal detecting can be a great hobby for those who love the outdoors and who love the thrill of a good hunt. While you may dig up great finds, some of which may be quite valuable, going into your searches expecting to get rich probably isn't realistic. That said, the more time and research that you dedicate to the hobby, the closer you are to making money metal detecting. It is possible to uncover valuable metal detector finds. It wouldn't be a great idea to quit your day job and travel the country detecting, although some people do, but you can certainly up your game to make your hobby more profitable. There is an endless number of places that you can go metal detecting, but when you take the time to research and pick sites with more potential, you can significantly increase your odds of success. Consider the following strategies if you are looking to find more valuable items when you go metal detecting. Key value in beach metal detecting. Beach metal detecting can net you some valuable finds, everything from common coins to expensive silver or gold jewelry. It's common for people on the beach or at a swimming hole to slip off their jewelry before they hit the water. Sometimes that jewelry gets lost or buried in sand, and it is just waiting for you to swing your detector over it. It's also possible that those who do wear their jewelry into the water might lose it while swimming, especially in colder water that causes fingers to shrink, making it easy for rings to slip off. Find gold nuggets in the West. If you live in the western US, you may want to spend some time metal detecting for gold nuggets. Arizona, California, Nevada, Idaho, and Oregon are all known for having detectable gold, if you know where to look. Research can help you determine the best places to find gold nuggets. The great thing about finding gold nuggets is that you never have to wonder about whether or not they have value. You know that you can quickly turn them into cash anywhere that gold is bought. If you are looking for a good gold detector, check out the Retitle Gold or the Minelab GPX 5000. You can also check out our guide on the best metal detectors for gold for more recommendations. Find old and rare coins by doing research before metal detecting. At the previous two sites listed, you are likely to find common coins, and that's great. But, if you are looking for old or rare coins, you will have to do some research. To be successful with these types of finds, you have to hunt in historic areas where they are more likely to be. This will require that you research your area and find out where people may have gathered long ago, churches, saloons, city halls, etc. Wherever the oldest history in your location is, hunt there. Metal detecting coins in large event areas. This strategy involves getting out hunting on the day after a big event. Think about things like outdoor concerts, farmers markets, antique fairs, or any other large event that takes place outside. Events like this frequently take place in city parks or other open spaces. Anywhere that hundreds of people have gathered is bound to have coins that have fallen out of pockets or were dropped while paying for merchandise. Making money metal detecting can be achieved when you research thoroughly and work hard to make it happen. Even if you don't get rich though, it's a fun hobby on which you can spend tons of time without becoming bored. If you like speaking book, click the thumb up and subscribe to the channel to gain more on your knowledge of the time watching videos. In case you think we missed something, please leave your comments and suggestions down below. We would love to hear from you. We hope that this provided you with not enough information and confidence to step out of your needing. Or you do have any questions? Ask. Just write it down in the video comment box. Recommended reading: you may also enjoy the following books. Thanks for watching.